Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is Nepal becomes 101st member of ISA. Nepal has become the 101st country to join the International Solar Alliance ISA as a full member. The instrument of ratification was exchanged during a meeting between Nepal's Charge d'Affaires Dr. Surendra Thapa and Joint Secretary in the External Affairs Ministry Abhishek Singh. Significantly, a total of 106 countries have signed the ISA Framework Agreement. Out of 106 nations, 86 have signed and ratified the ISA Framework Agreement. All member states of the United Nations are eligible to join the ISA. Let's talk about International Solar Alliance. The International Solar Alliance is an action-oriented, member-driven, collaborative platform for increased deployment of solar energy technologies. Its basic motive is to facilitate energy access, ensure energy security, and drive energy transition in its member countries. The ISA was conceived as a joint effort by India and France to mobilize efforts against climate change through deployment of solar energy solutions. The United Nations General Assembly has granted observer status to the International Solar Alliance. It will help provide for regular and well-defined cooperation between the Alliance and the United Nations that would benefit global energy growth and development. The ISA will help member countries develop low-carbon growth trajectories with a particular focus on delivering impact in countries categorized as least developed countries and the small island developing states. One of the important products of ISA is One Sun, One World, One Grid. Now let's talk about the practice question. Which country has recently become the 101st member of the International Solar Alliance? Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.